There's something about the atmosphere at a liberal arts college that fosters great scientists. In fact, many of the very best scientists in the world began their training at liberal arts colleges.
Being able to draw from different fields and knowledge, it can help you pave your own way when there might not even be a template yet.
One of the virtues of a liberal arts education to study this kind of science that changes so rapidly is that it gives the students the skills to continue learning and adapting throughout their life.
Our students learn how to think about the content, how to use critical thinking skills, and how to use the content and those skills to solve actual problems.
When you have a counterexample, isn't that enough to prove something wrong?
The liberal arts education gives you a broader experience base to draw from.
When I studied philosophy of language, the first person that we looked at was Frege, and he used almost all mathematical examples to describe language.
This epsilon and this A don't exist outside this sentence, right?
You become a person who can appreciate different sides of an issue. You become a person who can relate to other people.
Faculty at Bard are pursuing their own research interests and are including students in their research projects during the academic year and during the summer.
You have the chance to be doing research that is really, really intense and exciting and new, and having an active hand in it.
I would trust the YSI temperature more because we don't even know how wonky the pH meter might be.
You are asking the questions directly with your professor, you're looking at the solutions, and then you are performing the experiments.
This work that students are participating in all go towards publications and presentations at national and local meetings.
So what we're trying to do here is just get the coverage of the oil as uniform across the entire tray as possible.
One of the biggest benefits of studying science at Bard is the senior project, where students work on a project for 2 semesters on a topic of their choice. So many students at other schools might study computer science and take 20, 30 classes in computer science, but they haven't done something intense for 2 semesters. And so that really is a big help when our students go on to apply to graduate schools, but also apply for industry jobs.
It's what's sometimes called a false equilibrium because there's a lower energy somewhere nearby.
They're accepted routinely above the national average into medical schools, dental schools, veterinary schools, graduate schools.
Some go directly into research jobs, and others fall in love with something completely unexpected, like teaching elementary school students.
Others will go on to participate in Bard's 3-2 engineering program, where they study at Bard for 3 years and then go on to Columbia or Dartmouth for an engineering degree.
I didn't want to sacrifice the small school environment for a tech degree, and this way I'm able to do both.
It's the magnetic field that you're making with the coils.
The individual attention that professors at Bard can give you is extraordinary because the class sizes are very small.
I'm not 1 out of 600 in an intro to bio class. I'm 1 out of 16, and she knows who I am, she knows my strengths, she knows my weaknesses, and she knows exactly how to guide me along that path.
Both of them have models in them. Yeah, right? And so it's that distinction between models that's important.
Your talents are recognized because you're at a place that is smaller, and so that way every individual is able to pursue their education to the best of their abilities.